There's something magical about looking closer. The moment when something invisible becomes real, when the tiny reveals something massive. In classrooms across our country, that wonder is waiting to be unlocked. But traditional microscopes often stay in labs, limited in number, needing special care and power. So many students experience science through diagrams, eager for the real view. In rural and underserved schools, the opportunity to explore cells, microbes, and blood smears up close can feel just out of reach. They're ready for hands-on discovery, and the right tools can make it happen. In 2022, we embraced that possibility. That's how LABDIG Innovations and Systems was born. Moboscope, science anywhere, for anyone. A portable, smartphone-based microscopy platform with intelligent software, precision optics, and classroom-tough design. Clip on any phone, place a slide, open the app, and suddenly an entire class explores cells, blood, microbes in real time on familiar screens. No lab room, no big infrastructure, just science in hand. For schools, it opens new doors. Turn multiple smartphones into multiple microscopes. Share live views across the class. Project to TVs. Record videos. Build slide libraries. One affordable device delivers a portable lab, teaching aid, and digital tool, all in one. Rugged, offline ready, low maintenance. It fits real school budgets and brings hands-on STEM to every student. And it's not just classrooms. Researchers in labs, field scientists, health workers, anyone needing sharp, portable microscopy can use Moboscope to see and understand faster, anywhere. LABDIG's Moboscope, portable, powerful, purpose-driven. Because when you see more, classroom, lab, or field, you can do more.